Are you worried about your credit? Do you owe too much money? Great! We'll be happy to rip you off. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot. We're not supposed to tell you the truth. We're supposed to act like we're here to help you. So here we go. Money problems? No worries. We'll cut your debt in days. We guarantee. We'll remove the bad stuff on your credit report right now. You'll be happy again. But we really won't be helping you at all. We'll be getting rich. Oh, oops. There I go again. Telling the truth. Yes.
Speaking of the truth, you need to know how to tell the good helpers from the scammers if you have money worries. Credit repair scams target financially distressed consumers who are having credit problems. Scammers lure consumers to purchase their services by falsely claiming that they'll remove negative information from their credit reports, even if that negative information is accurate. Whatever the problem, the resources below will be your true friend in finding a solution. Explore it carefully.